What's the strongest reason for rejecting?
He wasn't telling the truth. Sinabi niya hindi siya naging US citizen. Nung una sinabi niya pa nga hindi siya nagkaroon ng US passport, di ba? The best evidence are the documents, yung records. Kasi kung ang records would contradict what you're saying, even if you're under oath, then your testimony won't carry weight against the records. He cannot be appointed being a US citizen. And he cannot be reappointed as Secretary of Foreign Affairs having been rejected by the Commission.
Pero sir, renounced na siya, diba, noong February 27?
Well, it depends on the President. If he wants to give him another position, bahala sila. But it's a question of qualifications.
He has to vacate now his position, sir?
Yes, definitely.